Ever scroll through social media and see people turning $100 into $1,000 overnight and think, why not me? We all want quick results. I mean, who wouldn't want a money tree in their backyard, right? Or a magic wallet that fills itself while you binge watch Netflix. Let's be honest, most of us dream of getting rich fast, and that's perfectly human. But here's the thing, real wealth doesn't work like a vending machine. You don't just press a button and boom, instant fortune. This is where stock investment comes in. Think of it like planting seeds instead of expecting a fully grown tree tomorrow. When you invest in stocks, you're buying tiny pieces of real companies. If those companies grow over time, your little pieces grow too. It's not flashy. It's not instant. But it works. You don't need a crystal ball or insider secrets. You just need patience, consistency, and a plan. Here's the truth. Slow and steady wins. Saving a little, investing a little, and letting time do its magic can turn even small amounts into serious wealth. It's like compounding interest. Your money starts making money, and before you know it, you've built something real. No shortcuts, no lottery tickets. Just smart moves over time. So, if you're ready to stop chasing instant riches and start building real wealth, remember this. Plant the seeds today, water them consistently, and watch them grow. Slow and steady always wins in wealth building.